एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल बिम फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन। सो रेविट फैमिली ट्यूटोरियल की सीरीज हमने स्टार्ट करी थी। आज हम सीखेंगे ब्लेंड टूल फैमिली के बारे में। चलते हैं, शुरू करते हैं। व्हाट आर द बेसिक स्टेप्स फॉर द रेविट फैमिली ट्यूटोरियल। और जो ब्लेंड फैमिलीज में आपके बेसिक स्टेप्स क्या रहने वाले हैं। फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ओपन द फैमिली एडिटर, then we have to select the tool, blend tool, then we have to create a bottom profile, and then we have to create a top profile, and between the bottom profile and top profile what height we need to maintain, that height we need to put, and after that जो है हम vertices अपने हिसाब से modify करके जो है हमारी family को हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में लोड कर सकते हैं। सो टेम्पलेट, जेनरिक टेम्पलेट से हम फैमिली की स्टार्ट करेंगे। देन सबसे फर्स्ट जो हमारा स्टेप रहता है, और फर्स्ट स्टेप टू क्रिएट अ स्केलेटन ऑफ दैट रेविट फैमिली दैट वी आर गोइंग टू मेक विद द हेल्प ऑफ आरपी। सो फर्स्ट जो भी शेप आप क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं आरपी के थ्रू, आपको उसका एक स्केलेटन, बेसिक स्केलेटन वी नीड टू क्रिएट, because reference plane के through अगर we are going to work through reference plane, then the family, the parameters will work definitely without any issues. Then in create you will find the blend tool. So after selecting blend, here we are now going to draw the base of the family, and if you click on edit top, then you will be able to draw the top of the family. So first for the base I have created a square shape base, and when I click on the edit top, now I have to again draw a profile, and इस profile से जो है अब हमारा top create होगा। So for the top I am drawing a circle, after that we have to you will find a right tick option. You have to mark on this for closing this family editor, and before that we have also aligned the center point of circle with the reference plane. Then हम यहाँ पर क्लिक के ऑप्शन पे टिक करेंगे, और जो हमारी फैमिली है, the family will be completed. So you can check in elevation views or in 3D views how is your family look. Then for the height I am again drawing a reference plane. Before that 3D में जो हमारी family how it is looking, so एक basic जो हमारी base profile थी square की and top profile of circle, so उसको मिलाकर जो हमारी family create हुई है वो कुछ ऐसी दिखेगी। And then edit base and edit top से हम we can modify our family to again, and vertices, that vertices how you want to adjust you can define as per your need. So this is the basics of blend family, and you can also make this family parametric. So by parametric you can create the length, width, height and the diameter of the above base that circle we have created. So basic of blend, that is we have to create a two profile. One is the base profile and another is the top profile. By creating these two profile, a family will be created, and by changing the vertices we can also modify later the family as per our need of the project. Now I am going to create this family as parametric. For that, to control the height we have to create a reference plane, then we have to align the top of the geometry with the reference plane and lock its surface with it. एक लॉक का आपको साइन विजिबल होगा, उसके थ्रू हम लॉक करेंगे। and after giving dimension we have to create a parameter, assign a parameter to that dimension, that will be height, and I am taking this parameter as an instance parameter. Whenever I modify this parameter, the value will also adjusted in the family with that same dimension. So height we have created, now it's time for the length and width parameter of the family. Before that, let's load our family into a sample project. So I'm opening a project with plumbing template. And how to load this? Load into project and directly you can place anywhere you want in your project. So when you go to the 3D, the family look exactly as you have created in the Revit Family Editor. So height parameter that we have created is also available right there, and by putting any values, the family will also get changed according to that value. So right now we have only height parameter. Now I'm creating the parameter for length and width also. So the function is very same. First we have to give the dimension for between these three RP reference plane, and by using the EQ we will provide an equal distance. So height and length दो parameters हम create कर चुके हैं. Then we will go for the width. Same process. रेफरेंस प्लेन से हमें डायमेंशन लेनी है और EQ पे क्लिक करना है. EQ पे व्हाट इज द नीड टू क्लिक ऑन EQ? जब भी आप हाइट या लेंथ आप पैरामीटर चेंज करेंगे, सो जो आपकी ज्योमेट्री है वो एकदम आरपी से, या आप कह सकते हैं कि सेंटर प्लेन से दोनों तरफ इक्वल डिस्टेंस में बढ़ेगी. सेम फॉर द विड्थ. Giving the full dimension, then creating a parameter. Width, creating it also as an instance parameter, and load into project. So for length, width and height we have created parameter, and we can change the value of this family. Also you can create a parameter for the top surface, that is our circle. So you can create a diameter parameter for that circle also. For this, double click on the family, edit top. First you have to give the dimension. After that, click on that dimension and give it a parameter. So diameter name parameter we are going to create, also taking this as an instance parameter. Load into project with the updated existing parameter. Now changing the diameter value, the family will gonna affect according to it. So ये था आज का हमारा ब्लेंड फैमिली ट्यूटोरियल. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें. धन्यवाद.